Reese's, buttercup, buttercup, Reese's, buttercup, buttercup. But wait, I'm a cookie girl. So that means I'm going to have to take a Reese's peanut butter cup and mix it up into a cookie. And I'm going to show you exactly how I'm going to do it. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette, and welcome to Turtle's Tasty Treats, where we make baking from scratch easy. Today I'm really excited to share with you how I'm going to take a Reese's peanut butter cup and turn it into a cookie. Here are the ingredients. 1 cup of unsalted butter, a half a cup of granulated sugar, 3/4 cups of light brown sugar, 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 3/4 teaspoons of kosher salt, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, a half a cup of cocoa powder, 2½ cups of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of Reese's peanut butter chips, and 2 cups of Reese's peanut butter cups chopped. To mix my ingredients up, I'll be using a large bowl, a mixer, a whisk, and a spatula. Now it's time to set my oven to 375 degrees. We're going to start by adding our butter to our bowl. And let's mix it up. To make sure our cookies have the most flavor, we're going to go ahead and add our vanilla extract to our butter now. And let's mix it up. Now for the sweetness, we're going to add our granulated sugar and our light brown sugar. And we're going to mix it up. Now it's time for the egg. I always crack it into a separate bowl because you can get an eggshell into your batter or a bad egg. So you never want to have to start your whole cookie dough all over again. Once you have your 1 egg cracked into a separate bowl, go ahead and add that to the cookie dough mix and then mix it together with your dough with just that 1 egg. Now for the egg yolk. We're going to go ahead and tap our egg, open our egg up, and let the egg white fall out, moving the egg yolk back and forth in the egg shell. Then we're going to take the egg yolk, place it into a separate bowl, and then we're going to add the egg yolk to our bowl. And let's mix it up. Now that all of our wet ingredients are all mixed up, now it's time to mix up our dry ingredients. We have our baking soda and our kosher salt, and we're going to add it to our all-purpose flour. Taking our whisk, we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Make sure that you mix it up well because you want to make sure you fully incorporate the baking soda and the salt. Now we're ready to add the cocoa powder. Taking our whisk again, we're going to go ahead and mix it up. Now it's time to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients, a little at a time. Each time, we're going to mix it up in between. Taking a spatula, we're going to go ahead and scrape down the sides of our bowl. We want to make sure that all of the ingredients is fully incorporated together. And let's mix it up. Now it's time to remove all of the cookie dough off of our paddle. Now we're ready to fold in our Reese's peanut butter chips. Taking my ice cream scoop, I'm going to go ahead and scoop out my cookie dough and place it onto my parchment lined baking tray, about 1 inch apart. Now that all of my cookie dough balls are on my baking tray, I'm going to take my thumb and place it on top of each cookie dough ball. This way, when they bake in the oven, they will rise but still remain flat. Now it's time for our cookie dough to chill in the refrigerator for 20 minutes. Now that our cookies have chilled, it's now time to bake them for 9 minutes. Now that my cookies are out of the oven, I'm going to put my Reese Peanut Butter Cup chopped candies on top of each cookie. Then I'm going to let them cool on my baking tray for 5 minutes. Now that our cookies have cooled for 5 minutes, it's now time to place them to our cooling rack where they'll cool down completely. And now it's time to taste our tasty treat. But because I'm allergic to nuts, Jimmy is going to try our tasty treat.
I'm lost for words.
He's a loss for words, so I guess that means it's good.
Absolutely.
Yay! I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.